everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to show you my weekend Poshmark sales. They were actually pretty good. I sold 29 items. You might see Paul in the background walking around because he's actually looking for all of the items. We're actually going to do a video showing you our awesome new inventory system, which makes everything a little bit more efficient when it comes to Poshmark. But check out exactly how much I made in sales on Saturday and Sunday on Poshmark. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. All right, so I'm going to start. This is February 15 and 16. So this is Saturday and Sunday. So we're actually getting ready to package everything up. And so I'm going to go through our list and show you exactly what we sold and how much we made and give you a total of my sales. And that would be my earnings after fees. So every number that I give you will be my earnings after fees. But let's see exactly what I sold, all right? So the first thing that I sold was a Who What Wear pair of black dress pants. And as you can see, I've got all my fun pictures here. It was size 12. You may hear some noise in the background. That is Paul actually packaging a bunch of stuff. So we're kind of doing double duty here. So you get to hear the whole process happen all at once. So these actually sold for $13, and so I'm going to click back here and show you exactly my earnings on this one was $7.93. The next thing that sold is a really cute Leo Rossi Buffalo Plaid Vest, red, new, without tags. So it didn't have the original tags, but it was new. And so as you can see in my listings, I always include all of my measurements, and I happened to find a stock photo of the exact item. Make sure it's exact, so it's got little pockets here, so we made sure that that was all exact. And I made on this after fees, you can see, the original price was $11. I have a Poshmark fee of $2.95, and then I gave a shipping discount in order to make the sale, so my total earnings were $5.93. Then I've got a Spire by Galaxy women's puffer jacket that is silver. It sold for $22. Here's my fees on that. Sold for $22. I actually earned $15.48. That was a good sale. Then I've got a women's pajama and lounge set, 2 pieces, sold for $14. So a lot of these details, when I can find a stock photo, come from the original listing that I found the stock photo on. So it actually saves a lot of typing, a lot of time. And so I actually earned $8.93, and I basically just gave a shipping discount. So I sent an offer. Most of my sales, I'd say about 75 to 90% of my sales come from me actually giving offers on people who actually heart or like my item on Poshmark. Then I sold a pair of Mucklucks, women's Christie tan boots. They look just like this. They sold for $23, and my earnings were $16.28. Not too shabby because I always buy my stuff really well. Then we have a new without tags women's long sleeve knit wrap jumpsuit. I could never wear one of these. Some people can totally pull this look off, but not me. But it's really, really cute. It's a size large, and I made $3.93 off of this one article of clothing. Then I have a new with tags Galaxy M3 pocket and drawstring fleece jogger set by Harvick. Who knew you could sell sweatpants and make actual money? But yes, we actually made $8.93 on a pair of gray sweatpants. Yes, sweatpants are worth money. Alrighty, then we have, of course, a pair of Michael Kors silver slide mirror metallic sandals. Michael Kors, they probably bought this at a steal, but we got them in brand new condition. I think there was just a little bit damage to the box, and so they are brand new, and they were in phenomenal condition, and so we ended up making $20.28 on this. Then we're still going. Remember, this is only 2 days of sales, so Saturday and Sunday sales. Here's a Leo Rossi women's fitted Sherpa sweatshirt, gray, size small. I'm actually shocked that I sold a size small for this amount of money because usually size smalls go down to my $5 limit. But this one we sold for $11. I ended up making $5.93 on this one. Then we have the pink version, Leo Rossi women's fitted Sherpa sweatshirt, pink. sold for $13. So evidently pink is more popular. This was a size medium, which is probably why it sold for a little bit more. $7.93 is what I earned there. Then, of course, I was selling a lot of these Robe Lingerie Sets. I think it's because it was around Valentine's Day. This particular one sold for $8. We made $2.93, and I actually got that from a wholesaler at a really, really discounted price. So, yes, even at the $2.93, I still made money. He's trying to strategically place his loud tape pulling. Is he doing a good job? I think he is. Good job, Paul. All right. Then we've got a Joy Lab Super Soft Relaxed Fit sweatshirt with kind of a fun turtleneck, cowl neck style. Sold for $6. Just a plain shirt. 93 cents is all we made, but we've had that on the store for a while. So we were actually going to take this off the store if it didn't sell after this weekend. Then we have a Like New Cato Extra Large Heather Gray Pull-On Skirt, sold for $7. Skirts don't sell really well, but if you can find the right brand, they will sell. $4.05 is what we made on that one. Then we've got a new without tag Style & Company 2XL V-neck heavyweight sweater, sold for $16. After fees, we ended up with $10.68. Then we've got a new with tag Style & Company Extra Large Remix Loud Mesa Rose long top. As you can see, again, I always include all the measurements. That usually helps you make the sale faster if you have the measurements there, and also keeps a lot of questions away because they like to have measurements, because every style usually has a little bit of different measurements. So after fees, we ended up with $6.93. Then we sold this cool Paris wall hanging. So this is kind of a little bit of a blurry picture, but if you look here, it's actually like a wall applique, and it's got two sides, and it shows how to put it all on there. So, but this picture actually came from this little square right here. So that's why it's a little bit blurry, but it gives someone an idea of exactly what it's going to look like. Sold it for $8. $5.05 is what we're going to make on a Paris wall decal. Then little kid shoes, I never sell for a lot of money, but I do get some, and I have multiples of these, so I'm okay just kind of leaving it at the same price and selling it for around that. So I made $2.05, making up some money that I had lost, but it balances out because I sell the adults' shoes for a little bit more. Then we have a women's cold weather lace-up ankle duck boot by Henry Ferreira. These are super cute because you can wear them all the way up or fold it over, which is really trendy. Then I made $27.20 after they sold for $34. So that was a great sale for me. Okay, yes, we are still selling Christmas things. So here is a sparkly reindeer sweatshirt by Leo Rossi, sold for $9. It is February, and I just sold a reindeer sweatshirt. I can sell anything at any time. Obviously, if it was before Christmas, I'd probably sell it for a little more money, but that's okay. We still sold it and still made $3.93. Then we have an elegant Christopher and Banks 3/4 sleeve top, really cute. Pictured does justice well and kind of shows some details there. We actually made, after fees, $1.93. Then we've got some Floopy Slippers, moccasin slipper with memory foam and red in color. We made $10.68 on those red slippers. Then we've got a really cute sweatshirt. $46 is what it sold for. $46 for a sweatshirt! It better be comfortable for $46. Anyway, after fees, we ended up making $34.68. Then we are getting into warmer weather. It's February. There are people going on vacation or just live in warmer climates, so it's starting to get warm. So we're starting to sell these sandals we have had forever, which is why the price is so low. But $5 is what we sold these at, so I ended up making $2.05. And then again, we sold another pair for $1 less, and we ended up making $1.05. So when it comes to this, I have really made my money back on those sandals for sure, because we sold tons of them at much higher value during the summertime, and now I'm just trying to clear them out of my store. So the $5 mark is probably where they're going to sit until we sell out of all of them, which is pretty close to being done. Then we have a SnowTech men's waterproof snow boots, sold for $27. How much did we get after fees? Well, we didn't even do a deal. They just bought it straight away, and so we didn't give a shipping discount or any other kind of discount, so they just bought it directly off the price it was listed for. $5.40 was their fees, so $21.60 is what we made on those boots. Then a pair of Naturalizer women's Caro Sandal Protein Ivory, sold for $22. After fees, we made $17.60. All right, we got 2 more items to go. This was a bundle. Love bundles. Usually make a little bit more money. So this one sold this Vince Camuto women's cold shoulder pullover top. Kind of really cute with some neat ruching there. Turned out to be well. So we did find a stock photo, and then of course I took my own photos as well. Because the stock photo, I feel like it is black, but it looks a little bit navy blue. So that's why we added some of our own pictures. So that one sold for $28. And then this really cute pump heel with sparkly was there, and we took our own photos of that as well, sold for $22. So after fees between the 2 of them, we ended up making $20. And then last but not least that we sold on the Sunday, so we are done with sales, ended up being a JCP extra large lightweight button-up linen blend top that is green and white and blue. Ended up selling for $5. So after fees, we made $2.05. So total, how much did we make? Well, let's check it out. We ended up making 29 total items sold, 28 orders, because one of those was a bundle of 2, and we made a total in sales of these 2-day weekend profits of $276.94. Woohoo! Not too shabby for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. Hopefully it's been fun to see what I sold this last weekend on Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully it's been fun to see what I sold on this Poshmark weekend. If you want any reseller tips and tricks, you can go to hookedonpickin.com. I have an awesome Poshmark, how to create a profitable Poshmark closet ebook that has been super profitable. Gives you training videos, how-to videos, gives you some of my behind-the-scenes tips and tricks. So check that out on hookedonpickin.com. Of course, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. And of course, watch more of my videos so you can find out what I am doing in Hooked on Pickin' world.